So again, just continuing on, Frankie, with our defenses in the no-gi, straight into submission. So last time we looked at from the clinch, Frankie got control of this leg. Last time we looked at how the first move was to get his head to the outside, and then we rolled him in two different directions. Let's just say we're up against someone and I physically can't get his head to the outside. So from there, I'm immediately turning to face the same direction as Frankie. If I don't put the whizzer on, he's just going to body lock me and he's took my back. So from there, the minute I face the same direction, I put on the whizzer, take my back now. It's not going to happen. And again, from there, we have that, I don't know what name for that judo throw, where you just step in and now you just boom, straight down. What's the name of that one, Dane? There you go. Tashi, good man, Dane. So we're here, we're in the position, whizzer comes on, and then he changed my angle. Okay? Just turn this facing out, perfect. So then this foot comes in, and now I don't need the whizzer, because my foot's doing the same job as the overhook. Now from there, I just hop back with this leg, find the ankle, and roll over my right shoulder. Just turn this way, bro. Keep circling, keep circling, keep circling. So as I fall, the detail is I keep the knee line. Alright? I don't want to reach for the secondary leg, and now he butt scoops back, and I've lost the knee line. So I keep it with my right hand. Again, if you know jiu-jitsu, he'll be keeping this leg away. So I just find it with the hook, bring it towards me, find this, and now from this position, now we are into the saddle. I'll just use Dane so you can see, bro. So just go with the other angle. So from our clinch, Dane circles and gets control of my left leg. Last time we looked at head to the outside. This time I can't get his head to the outside. So immediately I put the whizzer on, an overhook, and then I turn and face the same direction as Dane. Okay. So from that position now, I make the hook with my left leg. That means then I don't need the whizzer. I just do this so I'm connected to him. I backstep with my leg, and then I fall over my right shoulder. And the detail is, I have this grip here, so I don't lose the knee line in the saddle. So now, far leg brings it till I find it. Now I can let go, because the pinch of my knees keeps his right knee above my hip. And now we're straight into our saddle. Again, one more time on that. Again, we covered it in the club, but it's part of the system. So from the clinch, okay, he makes me circle, he gets the single leg. I can't get his head to the outside. Put on the whizzer, cut an angle so I'm facing the same direction as Dane, and then this left foot curls in behind. Now I don't need the whizzer, I just grab this. Now as I backstep with this leg, bend over to control the leg, I just roll over my right shoulder, and from there the knee line is everything. Okay, once I have that, I get the angle, which is what I want. Dane's trying to keep this leg away. I want to resist the urge to do that, or I lose the knee line. That's what my foot's for. I just bring it across and find it. Now as I pull it up, I can let go of this and pinch with my knees. Once I bring this over, everything's tight, and we're into our saddle. So that's our last defense against the single leg, straight into the submission. Let's draw that, guys, yeah?